Going to go through a quick demonstration of how the PoP application works. On this page we have a registration page, so you can just register with your name, last name, email, and confirm your password. But I already have an account registered, so I'm just going to search up, log in with my account, test1 at T, and then password, and log in. So now this is my first time using the application on this with this account, and it tells me I need to tap to add receipts. So when I'm in here, I can go into the tutorial to find out how to use the app with a walkthrough, or now I can't really do anything without receipts. So I'm going to pop in a receipt from my POS system, and you see I got a notification: tap receipts, tap to view receipt. The receipt has just been transferred into this account. I'm going to now log into an account with more receipts to show you some of the features we have. I'm just logging in with another account, so I'm putting in the password now and log in. So now we have biometric authentication on this account, so I have to use fingerprint scanning to log in to make it more secure. This is now the page. This account has a lot more receipts because this is an account we used for testing throughout the year. And from here I can go down to the bottom and search by date. So for example, I want to search between the 18th and the 19th. So here we have two receipts, both on the 19th. And we can also use the search by tag feature. Here we can, let's say, search for any receipts that contain Coke. So these two receipts contain Coke in them. And I'm going to check if they also contain milk. So now it's narrowed it down to just the one that contains both Coke and milk. And if we look here, it has both milk and Coke in it, along with other items. So all receipts are fully scrollable. No matter how long the receipt is, it's going to fit on the screen. Just scroll through. Some of the export features, if you press the export button at the bottom, it'll open this pop-up with export as. We can export in PNG. This is going to export the receipt to a folder in your gallery usually. We have a CSV export, which you can attach as an email, or you can directly save it to your phone. And that's an Excel sheet. So we also have a PDF, which will save to your folders in your phone. It'll tell you here, so your POP receipt tells you where it's been exported to. Some other features we have: if we press the name up here, it's going to open up Google Maps with the location where the receipt was generated. From here you can open up, click on this, get the address if you want to, see the store name. We plan to expand on this feature a lot more to be able to view all receipts simultaneously, not just one at a time. So you can track your spending, see where you've been. Or at the bottom here, you can press Google Maps. It'll open this location in Google Maps, or you can press the directions button there, and that'll give you directions to the store. So apart from these features, now if I just get rid of this tag, you'll see it'll show you now everything with just Coke. If I get rid of it again, it'll show you all receipts because it's not there's no search on it. This main page is just a list of all receipts. We plan to expand this to make it just show by month, so it'll show each one by month. So it looks cleaner. We have other features here, as in folders. So with folders, say for example you're going on holiday with your company and they say they're going to take care of your expenses, so you make a folder called I already have a holiday and Spain, but I'll just call this Spain 2. So now we have a folder called Spain 2, and if I press on this folder, it's empty. I can set this folder as default folder, so if I tap on anything, if I tap any receipts, all receipts will go straight into this folder straight away. So you don't have to swap them over manually, which is a pretty cool feature. If I go out of it, sorry, yeah, so I set that to default. Now, if I go back here, you can see that the color of the file beside the Spain 2 has been changed to white, unlike the others are silver. That just means it's your default folder. Along with this, oh yeah, so we can go into this holiday folder. See, this has 5 receipts in it. I can press export and it'll export the whole folder, all the receipts to your gallery in a single folder called holiday, or whatever you named your folder. And that's pretty much all the features. Thanks for listening.